Imagine stepping into a cozy pub in Ireland, the air alive with laughter and conversation. Suddenly, a sound cuts through the hubbub, a deeply resonant, almost vocal melody that captures your attention and pulls you into its story. It's a sound that's both ancient and intimately present. Live Uilleann pipes offer a truly mesmerizing experience, producing a rich, complex, and nuanced sound that is often described as hauntingly beautiful, sweet, and soulful. And like their Scottish counterparts, these pipes are known for their softer, more mellow tone, capable of incredible dynamic range and intricate melodic ornamentation. The unique sound stems from several key features of the instrument itself. Uilleann pipes are bellows blown, meaning air is pumped by the elbow, or uilleann, not directly from the player's breath. This allows for a drier, more stable airflow, enabling continuous play and a softer volume suitable for indoor settings. They also feature a chanter, which plays the melody regulators, which are keyed pipes that provide harmonic accompaniment, and drones that sustain a continuous background note, all contributing to their full orchestral quality. To truly appreciate the Uilleann pipes live, seek out traditional music sessions in local pubs or dedicated folk music venues across Ireland. Listening to them in person allows you to feel the subtle vibrations and hear the distinct interplay between the chanter's melody and the harmonic richness of the regulators and drones, which simply cannot be fully captured by recordings. An interesting detail is that the Uilleann pipes are often called the Irish national instrument, revered for their ability to convey a wide spectrum of human emotion, from profound sorrow to exuberant joy. Their intricate construction means a single set can be incredibly versatile, allowing a master piper to perform complex tunes with remarkable dexterity and feeling, often mimicking the human voice in its expressiveness. Experiencing the Uilleann pipes played live is an essential part of understanding the heart of Irish music. It is a moment where the history, craftsmanship, and soul of Ireland converge into an unforgettable auditory journey, offering a genuine connection to the country's vibrant cultural heritage.